guy. Whoa, guy. Jeez. Are you like Eddie now? You don't care about your truck or what?
Nope.
Jeez. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Apparently Chris doesn't care about his truck anymore. We can beat it up. Hold on. Oh, no? Everybody wants to know, Chris. How come you didn't come play in the snow with us the other day?
I had to work.
Oh, come on. You don't work.
Sometimes I do.
Oh. Well, regardless, we got a little matter we got to handle in a little bit. But first things first. So what we've got here is a just cheap little knife sharpener. You know, I'm not super like I don't find it a hobby to sharpen knives and do any of that stuff. Apparently this one's kind of open already. So these little cheap ones are like good enough for what we deal with. But I know a lot of people have asked in the past what knives I carry on a daily basis, and then Chris also, Chris behind the camera because he's not in front of the camera. He just scratched his belly right now. That looked weird because you were a little low there, buddy. But hey, what are you gonna do? He also carries a knife daily, and we've got two different ones. So figure we kind of go over what we carry, and mine's really basic. And the reason I go basic and don't spend a ton of money on a knife is because, like, at some point this thing is like a screwdriver, a pry bar, does whatever it needs to do. So I don't want to spend a ton of money on a knife that I'm just gonna tear up. But it's a Kershaw Kent Onion series, pretty simple, nothing too special about it. All black, blends in well. I don't need some big standout knife like our good buddy over here has.
How much did you pay for that?
I don't know. How much did I pay for it? I don't remember.
You paid a decent amount.
Did I? It was like $100? I don't remember.
I think he discounted you.
Yeah, I bought it at like a gun show.
It was like $60.
Yeah, I don't remember. It wasn't much.
Well, this is also a Kershaw, and it has cool little reindeers on it.
Is it a Kershaw Christmas edition or what?
Yep. And that was about a $120 knife.
So why did you go with the smooth blade?
I just liked the
reindeers.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool.
All right, fair. So as you can see, I've got the serrated option just because I don't know. I feel like having both is makes more sense to me than just having a smooth blade. But regardless, both of these are pretty dang dull, I would say. I mean, mine's not that bad, but this thing looks like it's seen its share of glue and all kinds of caca.
Skin.
Oh, cut yourself with it?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to do that, man. I don't know if we want to sharpen yours then. Guess we go like this.
Why are we doing this on my truck?
You don't care about your truck anymore, remember? It's cardboard. It's a little stiff. Hold on. Jeez, dude. This thing's a little dull, huh?
Just
Almost cut my finger.
Watch the fingers.
Almost cut my finger. We just stab it. Alright, we're going back to the drawing board. Alright, I think that's as good as this thing's gonna get for now without sitting here doing this 100 more times. So Chris, what do we got going on today, buddy?
So excited. Ryan's paying to get my truck washed.
I mean, everybody's saying I should demand a recount on the voting on that video.
No.
Everybody says I should. It was a little close.
Rematch in miniature golf then.
Okay. I'll beat you in miniature golf again. That sounds like a good time. If you guys remember from the flex off video, we left it to the judging and Chris won by like 6 votes or whatever it was. It wasn't much.
More than 6. Come on.
Maybe 10.
It's 11.
It was 11?
I don't remember.
Yeah, it wasn't many votes. And because, I'm a man of my word, the bet was loser has to pay to get the other guy's truck washed. Yep. And, well, Josh should be pulling up, any second now. But, I recall our buddy over here who's supposed to, have some long hair in a video. I'm sure he's supposed to do other stuff that he's promised you guys and he hasn't done in a video. But I make sure I pay up my bets. Man of my word.
Okay.
What do you have to say for yourself, Christopher?
Thanks for losing.
Oh, hey, so did you pick who's going to win that hat that you're going to buy for him?
No, not yet. Gotta figure that one out.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. You should do it right now. Pull up that video, pick a comment, and see who's going to win a hat right now.
No.
Come on.
No. I'm going to choose something else. I'm going to do something else.
This thing's been sitting here for about a week, not started, right?
Yep.
Everybody wants to know, Chris, why is the truck always here?
Got a lot of trees by my house. And this house doesn't. It's a bunch of sap.
That's no bueno.
No
I mean,
bueno.
the truck's not even that dirty. I don't even need to pay to get this thing washed.
Oh, no, you really do.
Remember you used to go through car washes. I'll pay for the $12 car wash.
Used to.
Used to?
Yep.
Oh, not about that lifestyle anymore?
No, not anymore. Hear that?
Woo!
Yeah, doggy.
Man, that all gold work for it decal looks good. So do these tail lights. I really wish they would put these on the 2500s. It's like, I mean, if you're okay with the red, you really don't have to do much to them. The man, the myth, the legend has shown up. Hey, buddy! Good to see you, man.
Chris, hi! God!
All I know
I
is
heard you want a free car wash.
I'm just really happy that, yeah,
What?
Josh is giving you a free car wash here.
Everything, you know.
No, easy guy. Just a wash.
Settle down, Chris.
Just a
Settle
wash.
down, Jesus.
Yeah, we don't have time for that today.
Sorry.
We gotta wash my truck
Ryan's
too.
truck's not even getting washed as it
Yeah,
is.
we gotta do my truck first, then we're gonna do your truck.
You don't care.
Here is clean. We don't even gotta do anything in that. Don't charge me for that.
Don't charge me, he says.
Cheap ass.
What a cheap bastard, dude. What a great friend he is.
I'm gonna help so I get a cheaper rate. Hold up. What?
No, you're good.
What?
No, you're
Yeah,
good.
no.
Did I just get-
your own truck?
Did I just get fired on my first day?
I don't want to upset Chris. You know, the customer's very picky.
Yeah.
Can't have scratches and shit. Oh, God, he's got a gun. Remember that last time you shot a pressure washer or something?
At your
I'm
arm?
gonna go find the scratch right now. No, that's a burn.
Hold on, let me put the tip on real loose. Shoot it right at you.
Then you're like,
Oh, thanks. I'm back. I'm back.
Dog, he's still gonna charge you full price.
Oh, wait, what?
Yeah.
He's not gonna give me a discount?
Oh.
Oh, well then screw that. Hey, buddy, you don't need to like get that crazy with it. You don't need the little
Hey,
brush, man. Like,
you almost just-
I need the budget wash.
this guy telling me to half-ass something?
Yeah, bro, just like a quick rinse. You got deionized water, right? Just wash it. Oh, you're helping too?
Yep.
Look at that. Nice. Man, this thing's gonna be. You're gonna owe us money by the time we're done, Josh. All right, here, give me this one.
No, don't give him that.
Yeah, this one's for the wheels.
No, it's not.
Okay, give me this one.
That's not.
Give me this one. This one's for the wheels. Don't let this touch the ground, okay? We hold this.
Yeah, don't
Hold
let
on.
it touch the ground.
Hold on.
You can touch the ground and clean your truck.
Hold this. Okay, all right, I got this. Yep. M-E. Look at this guy.
Oh, you gotta be shit. Take a
Look at this. This is the nicest guy ever.
pic. Dude, what?
You get
What a
treated.
great
Give him
guy.
another hug. Give him another hug.
Come on.
Tip
Yeah,
back
make
on
sure you push that in.
securely.
Point it somewhere
And
else.
shoot it not at the car.
Okay, now you can point it at the
And
truck.
then you can point it at the truck.
Yeah, good work, buddy. So, you know, the bad thing about cleaning your truck is you start to find all the gnarly, like, I don't even know, like it doesn't look like it's rock chip scratches. It almost looks like something scuffed it from the wheels thrown at the black truck. This is why I like white trucks, is you don't have to deal with this, but I don't know, that was a fiber right there, but Chris's truck is like, ugh, like how does this happen? No bueno. Look at that, like right in there, all tore up along the bed rail. And unfortunately for Chris, I'm not paying the price to have this thing fully waxed and to have Josh buff out all the scratches, so he could do that on his own.
I will say though, that's why you always drop the tailgate and pull hoses up this way instead of using the sides of the car.
Ooh, maybe that
Little
is what that
scratches.
is, huh? You're telling me, since Chris bought Eddie's DI tank, that that is probably exactly what that is. Look, you can see where the looks like his hose went up right there. Chris left. He had to go home to relieve himself. So when he gets back, we'll point out some of the scratches to him here. Oh, hey, buddy, did you have a good poop? Yeah, nice one.
I went to the Shell.
Went to go poop at the gas station?
Yeah, went to the Shell, that was closed. Then I went to CVS and someone was in there, so I got nervous. So I started walking around and finally it opened up.
Well, hey, buddy, there's like a bunch of scratches on your truck. I got a question. When you wash this yourself, did you like run the hose up in here?
No.
You got a lot of scratches right there. There's a whole thing of scratches right there. There's a whole thing of scratches right there. You got a bunch of scratches along your bedside. Look at that one. That was a big old friggin'. That was to the primer. You need to take better care of this thing, Christopher. Now this beautiful truck over here, scratch free. You know, maybe a rock chip on a door handle or so, you know, but look at that beauty. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, yeah! Yeah, on this one, take your time with that brush, all right? Make sure you get into every letter.
I heard the guy that has this truck is rich.
That is not true, but feel free to take your time. You know,
Rich.
do this one good. It's all satisfying. Look at all that brown coming off of there. Look at that.
I wish somebody, when they pressure washed their truck last time, would have cleaned the goddamn wheels.
No, I don't touch my wheels when I do it. I don't want to ruin them. I'll let you do that.
I'll give you that.
All right. See, dude, at least you fit up underneath this one. Makes it nice and easy to get in there and clean everything.
Hey, Josh.
Oh, Chris is helping you. Chris says you missed a spot. Are we like the biggest help or what, Chris? Right? Don't we just make your job so easy?
Is this what I use to clean the bumper?
No. Aren't you happy I upgraded to the box bars?
No.
Look at that WeatherTech. I think I actually cleaned up really well, considering all the crap that was in it from the snow. Carpet is still fresh and clean, except for whatever. Oh no, that's just light. I mean, how did I do at Eddie's house? I did a pretty good wash on it, right?
Yes.
It's not my fault, all right? I had to drive it back another freaking 30 minutes in the pouring rain. All right, buddy, that was free, right? Thanks, man. You're the best. Hooking me and Chris up like that, we really appreciate it. No fall, no fall! Oh! All right, do it again. No. How's that new record? Can you balance the ladder on your chin?
Yeah.
Do it.
No way.
Yeah, you've seen the circus guys? You put your chin right there. Balance it.
No.
I don't know if my chin's that strong. I'm gonna hit Josh's truck.
You can't.
I don't know how they do it, man. This thing's heavy.
Let's not do that next to my truck, huh?
What are you worried about? Hold on.
Be rich.
Hey, buddy, thanks, man. You really saved the day. Oh,
You going with me?
Chris is going with you. You're the best, buddy. Much love, much appreciated. The world's waiting for your YouTube channel to start, just so you know.
One day.
Yeah, right. We'll even want to see it.
That's embarrassing. Cut.
But what?
Redo it.
Oh, redo it? You want to cut? Hey, buddy, how's it feel to have a clean truck again?
Feels great.
Yeah?
A lot of scratches. But
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm only paying for the wash. I'm not paying to fix all your scratches on your truck. Sorry, buddy. We'll get them back again.
maybe.
Maybe what?
Another bet?
Another bet?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's expensive to have all those scratches taken out. Maybe, though. What are we going to bet this time?
Everybody wants to see us race again.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah, truck for truck, the way they stand.
Yeah. Take your tune off.
Why do you want my tune off? Run what you brung. Run what you brung. Go ahead, tune your truck. E85 tune that thing, do whatever you want. We'll race. I'll dust off my poncho, my sombrero. We'll head back down to Mexico. Yeah? Well, hey guys, you know, I wish we had more planned today, but it was really just, you know, get Chris's truck taken care of, and then while Josh is here, I mean, you know, I know I own the most expensive foam cannon in the world, but just really cheaper to.
I own the same one.
You own the same one?
I own the same one.
Oh.
I got mine first, though.
You got yours first?
Mhm.
Oh. Well, apparently you scratch your truck up with yours, so. So what happens when you wash it yourself? That's why I don't do it.
I don't know,
It's not worth it.
You're messing with knives in the back of my truck.
Oh, you think I scratched the bedsides?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's a possibility. Anyways, regardless, we'll see what's next in the Chris and Mon betting series. But, you know, as a man of my word, bet is paid up. And, you know, Chris paid up his golfing bet. And we'll see. Round 3 coming soon. You guys are the best. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now that you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you got to be willing to
Work for it.
Go ahead, buddy.
What?
What do you mean, what?
It's your turn.
No, I don't do it.
Why not?
Go ahead.
Roll the outro.
Damn.